Did you know that there is a built-in dispenser in a toothpick box? Wow! Using this tip, you can open and close a packet of ham in a flash. Handy. Is the food bag too small? You can join two small bags together and make a larger one. This way, you can store vegetables without snapping them in half. To keep parsley fresh for longer, put the stems into water. Then, place a jar over the parsley. Now, you can store the parsley for longer in the fridge. Can't reseal a packet? You need to remove the tag first. Sometimes, to make your life easier, you just need to change your perspective. Much better. You have to try this method for resealing cookie packets. Smart. Foods like carrots, oranges, and lemons keep for longer if immersed in water. This way, they remain hydrated. If mozzarella is not consumed immediately, it risks becoming spoiled. Place the mozzarella in a container filled with milk. This way, the mozzarella can be stored in the fridge for a couple of days, staying fresh and flavorful. Using parchment paper, it is easy to wrap up a sandwich. Handy! Don't do this! To preserve cucumbers, place the stem ends in water. They'll stay crunchy for longer. Always keep single-dose portions of tomato sauce in the freezer. Ready to use, ideal for fast cooking.